and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at, man, just an absolutely stunning 1972 442 convertible. I love this body style, guys. There's very few cars that I actually like in a convertible. I think this is the best looking convertible ever built. I love this body style in a drop top. I think they look very natural with the top down. Of course, I love that hood. And just my opinion, this is the best looking convertible ever built. I love these cars. 70 through 72 in a convertible, they're just gorgeous. Love the color on this car. This is saddle bronze metallic. It's got the black 442 striping, and then it's got the saddle interior. Beautiful car, runs and drives outstanding. I mean, it really hits the road good. Air blows cold, cruise works. Neat car. The nice thing is this car has a rocket report, so it comes with the documentation saying that this is a true 442. I think it's one of 1,025 or something ever built. You can see this has got some original trim on it. You can nitpick that stuff. It is a little bit of an older restoration. He said the resto is about 12, 14 years old. Chrome's nice. Love this hood. This is the Fresh Air hood. I think it's a W25 hood. You can see the dash in there is nice. This is a great car. I mean, this is you can nitpick it. There's a couple little stone pecks and things that you can pick at on the car, but this is a really nice car. Matter of fact, it looks like a dealer's had this car in his private collection for about 7 years. It's got the cutout rear bumper with the trumpet tips. Supposed to have all the original body panels. I didn't see where they changed anything. I love the chrome SS1 wheels on here. Yeah, I think this is a great look. This and a Cadillac. I think they're the two cars that they got to be convertible. So love them. Again, I love these are the 15-inch chrome SS1 wheels with BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it. These cars came standard with the front disc brakes. Pretty color, man. I mean, really pops on this car. It looks like $1 million coming down the road. This is a matching numbers 455 cubic inch engine, has a matching numbers trans in it, has the correct rear axle in it, so all the running gear is supposed to be correct. We do have photos of the VIN on the engine and on the trans. Correct, it's got the aluminum intake on it, it's got the correct Qaudrajet 4-barrel on it. Factory stock exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got cruise control and it does work. Air blows ice cold. Power steering, power disc brakes, and of course it's got the factory air cleaner for the Ram Air hood. Really nice car, man. It's got the dual sport mirrors. This is a remote mirror. These almost look like the original door handles. Again, as you walk around it, you're going to see a couple little touch-up marks. It's not a fresh restoration. If you want to really nitpick something, that's what you can nitpick. You can buy this. I wanted to leave it alone, so I think it's original. Power top works great. It's got a black convertible top that has been replaced. It's got the glass rear window in it. You can see all your interior lights work. Interior is very nice. Sport wheel. It's got the factory tic-toc-tach dash. 19,000 miles. That might be what's on the resto, but I couldn't tell you. I do not know the miles on the resto. That is a Retrosounds radio. It's all Bluetooth. Matter of fact, there's a little microphone you talk into. Factory bucket seats, center console. This is, it's got a light in it and it works. You can see it's got a little fade to it. There's a brand new one for it in the trunk. You just never put it on it. So it means somebody really took care of this car. Somebody really loved this car. Dual exhaust, factory 10-bolt 308 limited slip rear axle. It does have the F41 suspension with the box control arms and the rear sway bar. Cover goes with it. Again, that's what we talked about, the mirror, cover, jack with spare is in there. And then, like I say, here's all your documentation with the car. There's your rocket report, and then there's photos of all the numbers and everything on the car. And I've got more photos in here too. So tons of documentation. Again, true 442 convertible. And a great car. Again, clean underneath, but not overdone. Seams are nice and clean. Like I say, if you're gonna pick anything, and you can buy that brand new if you want it. Jams are nice and clean. I took some pictures of the top. Again, power top works great. See, Nathan just kicked your air on. It blows ice cold. I got caught in traffic, as you'll see when he goes out here. It sat here, it's almost 80 degrees today, sat there, didn't get warm, nothing. Great car. I don't know if I can do these, Nathan. You're gonna have to pin it, I can't. Everything in here worked. Like I say, all the gauges are functional. Tic-toc-tach, including the clock works. The radio works, you can hear that. Like I say, the air blew nice and cold. Really, like I say, really hit the road good. And it drove out great. Good sound. Again, matching numbers, 455 car. Radio works, blower motor works. Everything opens and closes really nice. Somebody's loved this car. Somebody's kept this car really nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. You see the traffic out here.